If your Instagram archived stories are missing or not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple and effective ways to fix missing Instagram story archives, step by step. Let's first open our Instagram settings page by tapping the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. And then you're going to open the archive option right here. Your problem might be that it opens the post's archive automatically, and you can't change it to stories when you try and tap at the top of the page. The solution for this is to go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down until you see this archiving and downloading section. You're going to turn off this Save Story to Archive option, then wait for around 10 to 15 seconds, and then enable the option once again. Now you're going to restart the Instagram app and then check if this solved your problem. Another thing which you can do is to open the settings page, hop over to this general section. Let's now find and open this iPhone storage option, which is going to show us all of the apps which we have installed on our phone. Here is the Instagram app, so let's tap on it, and you're then going to see these 2 options. The first option is the Offload App option, and you're going to click on that. This step will delete your cache files, bugs, and all of the corrupted files in the Instagram app, and those files may cause the problem where your story's archive isn't working. When the app offloads, simply tap on Reinstall App and wait for the phone to download and install a fresh version of Instagram. These 2 steps should solve your problem. And if they did, then please consider leaving a like and comment on this video, and I will see you soon.